chocolate filling with a candy coating. Smarty pants, we're a bunch of smarty pants. When we push ourselves to learn, now we're laughing in between. We're gonna learn twice as fast, cause we're making dopamine. It's my goal to always learn, it keeps me sharp and bright. I show a grin from ear to ear, cause I'm dancing in my dendrites. I'm dancing in my dendrites. Oh, I'm dancing in my dendrites.
Well, that's lovely to hear from them again, and to congratulate them on reaching their 40th anniversary. What a record that is, how thrilling. Yes, we go back a long way, as you know from the publications we've done together. We were together in 1985, 4 or 5. And David came to work with me at the university, and we got on Champion, and we put several papers on. One particularly that I'm very pleased with is the one in the Hypnosis Society of the European Congress at Oxford, England. And that, I think, has been followed by a lot of other people. Both Nancy and David have gained tremendous appreciation from around the world. So it's a real thrill to say to you, Nancy, David, congratulations from Norman Thomas, the chair of, or the chancellor, I think they call it, yes, of the ICMO, the International College of Craniomandibular Orthopedics. I hope that you will accept Jane and I our very, very best congratulations to you. I don't know if there are any questions that Marianne has for me, but I'm really delighted to talk to you and answer anything you'd like to say.
The only thing I wanted to ask you is if you had any memories about that time that you wanted to share.
Oh, yes, absolutely. That was in the early days. David came and he was a tremendous investigator and extremely capable of handling electronics. So first of all, he had for us something like a laptop, and he got that working fine in the office. Now, the one I'd had at Bristol University before I came to Canada just a short time before filled a whole wall. I'm quite the size of what you can see behind me, and nowhere near as easy to understand as the one that David sorted out for us. So yes, so after he organized this, he got on to producing one of these entrainment machines, and I took it actually to Oxford, and it was a great success. David, please go on with the success you've had, you and Nancy. God bless you both.
Thank you.
Happy anniversary, Dave and Nancy. It's been a long time. We've been using your machine now for over a quarter of a century, and it has had such a profound difference for Michael's life. I just want to say thank you. A long time ago, it gave him the ability, after 21 days, that he could make eye contact, and then he was also able to imitate, and he was able to learn. And that was considered impossible at the time. So it was a real miracle. And we're still using it, and it's helping us maintain our skills. And I just want to say thank you, because it's been the only thing that has consistently worked for us. Thank you so very much from Sue and Mike.
Hey, Mom and Dad. I know a lot of people are going to say they can't believe it's been 40 years, but I can because it's been my whole life and then some. And I just feel so blessed to have been able to live this experience and this journey with you guys. It's been really fun to watch you just follow your dream and build it up. I know it hasn't always been easy. I can remember times when there were a real struggle for you guys with the business. But my most predominant memory would be just you guys really, your passion for wanting to help people, especially people who had lost hope, who had tried everything else and nothing was working, and watching you guys be able to give them their life back. It's such a wonderful thing that you do. And if you've taught me one thing, for sure, it is that I better be sure to make this world a better place before I leave it. I'm so proud of you guys. Love you lots. Happy 40th.
Hey Dave, Nancy and all the others at Mind Alive. I want to congratulate you to your 40th anniversary from the most beautiful place in the world. And for all the other guys and ladies who are watching this video, I just want to comment that the Mind Alive devices are being scientifical, reliable, durable, and they are made to last. I'm Claudius Nagel from Germany. I'm the German distributor of Mind Alive devices since 2005, and I'm happy to be a partner of Mind Alive, and I'm glad that Mind Alive has been around for 40 years now. Congratulations.
Hi, Rado from Bulgaria is here. 12 years ago, I was thinking, should I buy a strange device called David Powell 36? 1 year later, I became certified Mind Alive distributor for Bulgaria. This has changed completely my professional life, and this has changed for the better the life and health of many Mind Alive customers in Bulgaria. Thank you for your excellent support. Continue the great job, Mind Alive, and have a nice party.
Hi Dave, hi Nancy, from this wonderful location, the Zaanse Schans in the Netherlands. I want to congratulate you with your 30th anniversary and hope to invite you in the Netherlands again soon. Greetings to all employees of Mind Alive. Bye.
Hey Dave, Richard Suter here at New Mind Technologies. Congratulations on 40 years of terrific work at successfully introducing a skeptical world to a fabulous innovative technology that has helped thousands of people reduce their pain and suffering. I say there's nothing greater you can do on this planet than help others get through their tough times, and few have done it better than you, Dave, and Mind Alive. Congratulations.
Hey, good morning, Dave. I heard about your celebration way up north and at Mind Alive, and I wanted to participate in it. And thank you for all the help you've given us down here in Vermont. As you know, we've worked together with people with autism and developmental disabilities, and we've applied the concepts that you've developed and used your equipment to make people's lives easier and better. It's been quite successful as a grounding technique, and it's been able to help us with very specific problems we would not have otherwise been able to address. And of course, they've been able to take this equipment home, your equipment home, and do it in the privacy of their own homes and at a reasonable cost. So I think you're brilliant, I think you're kind, and I'm happy to count you as a mentor and a friend. So, thank you, Dave. Bye.
Happy anniversary, Mind Alive. Woohoo, 40 years. Oh my gosh, I didn't even think you were 40 years old. How could you have a company that's 40 years old? We love you guys and we're proud of you.
I thought it was your birthday actually, but it sounds like it's the birthday of the company.
Yeah, Perry kept getting confused. I'm like, no, Perry, anniversary, not birthday. Anyway, I love you guys and so happy for you.
Happy to you too.
Bye-bye.
Hey, everybody at Mind Alive. Happy 40th anniversary. Congratulations on all these years of operation. Hey, Dave. Hey, Nancy. What a couple of characters. I may look a little pirate-like at this point, but I remember in 2001 when we had the ISNR meeting in Monterey and we rented the aquarium for the party. You guys took it also as a Halloween occasion and came dressed as pirates. So you've always had great energy and great spirit, and Nancy and I share the same birthday. So it's an interesting thing to see you 40 years of operation in business. Congratulations again. I'll catch you at another meeting at some point. Bye-bye.
Oh, hey guys, I just wanted to say congratulations on 40 years. You guys have been doing so much for this field and we all appreciate you. We're so grateful for all the work that you've put into it, helping both ourselves and our clients. Here is to 40 more.
One, 2, 3. Happy anniversary, Dave and Nancy.
Wow, Dave and Nancy, 40 years of Mind Alive, and I just want to come on here and say thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm Dr. Jackie Kilrain, and I use your devices on myself every day and on my patients every day, and it has made such a difference in my life and in their lives as well. And I'm so grateful that you have just brought this technology and all this knowledge and this wide range of uses that helps people for 40 years. That's just incredible. It's an incredible gift to humanity. And your beautiful staff is just a testament to how wonderful the both of you are. So I want to say thank you again, and I hope that you live forever.
Hey, Mom and Dad. We just want to say congratulations for 40 years. What do you guys want to say?
For 40 years! For 40 years,
For keeping your mind alive.
Hi, I'm Dave Seaver.
And I'm Nancy Seaver. And as we celebrate Mind Alive's 40th anniversary, we want to say thank you to all of our friends and family, customers, distributors, and especially our staff in getting us as far as we have in the journey we've had over the years.
When I started Mind Alive, I was just a young buck who loved electronics and loved making devices. But after I landed a job at the University of Alberta in 1981, I discovered I also really loved physiology, and furthermore, I loved brain stuff. I had no idea, however, that this was going to spin into a lifelong endeavor, but it has.
And we've really enjoyed that journey with all of you. And again, want to say, could not have done it without you. And our deepest gratitude and thanks and humility in this journey and being able to help people in their lives. Thanks.